just because you got rich fast does not mean you're going to get rich for sure. There is a difference in understanding that the thing that got you your first million is not the thing that's going to get you your first 100 million, or that's going to keep you making millions for a lifetime. A lot of people figure this out once and they end up going broke because they don't realize that if it's a leaky bucket, you're just going to make a lot of money and you're going to burn it just like how you made it. Hence why people go up like this and go back up down like this. So rule number 1 about building wealth: retain your clients. For the love of God, every single person who gives you money, I want you to cherish them. I want you to wake up thinking about their desires, and then I want you to audit what is the friction around you getting the thing you desire. And then you ought to wake up every single day and make your number 1 goal to remove this friction out of your client's life. The reason why I'm making this video, literally, is because of this. By making this video, I'm trying to clarify everything in our community's kind of like thought and our clients' thought and way of thinking. And this is me removing friction. Me making this video is me removing friction. First thing in the morning, I want to record this. Why? Because I want clients having clarity. You should do the same. If you do not understand this, you're not going to be able to retain your clients. Most importantly, if you do not remove all the friction, they'll never see results. If they don't see results, why would they keep paying you every month? Why would they buy the next product? Because one thing is for sure, just because you sold this first infrastructure does not mean that you can retain people. You can get rich, but not be wealthy. You could be making $1 million a month and still be living paycheck to paycheck. This is the thing that nobody understands. Just because you see someone saying, oh, I'm making $1 million a month, does not make that person someone that you should look up to. It just means that they understand these first 3 points. They found the right thing to sell and they have leverage. That's it. It does not mean they understand how to actually build wealth and compound it, right? All wealth is built from what? Making time your ally. And the way that this works is you should get richer without you working. It's just that simple, right? And the only way that's possible is if the people that you first acquired in your first offer keep paying you over and over and over again.